today I'm gonna do some repairs on the ATV or a go-kart. I don't know how to call it, to be honest. I got the ATV sitting outside and I decided to make it shorter. It's a lot of fun. The only issue is the axle is too short. So what I did is I ordered one online. It's I will say 2 inches in each side longer, so it's gonna be wider. I think it will make this project way more fun because if you turn a little bit too fast, this thing feels like it's gonna tilt. So with this one, I think it will have a lot of stability. So let's do it. The axle's been replaced. I just have to put the tires back on. Too bad it's raining outside, so I would love to take it out there and for a spin, but I think I just have to wait. But I'm so happy I got it done. All right, we got it done. I don't know if you remember, guys, before the tires were like right in the edge of the end of the body. Now it's, I will say, a little bit more than 3 inches on each side. I think it is gonna be a lot of fun now. I'll be honest with you, I decided to do this because I was riding this thing yesterday and I went too fast, and when I did the turn, this thing almost tilt. So that's the reason I decided to replace the axle. I was thinking to use this axle for a different project, but I'll be honest with you, I got a good price for it. So what I did is I used it on this one, and I already ordered another one for the next project. I just have to wait for the weather to get better so I can take it outside for a spin. And I'm sorry, guys, I don't make a video about this one. This one is ready. The brakes need a little work, but it's gonna be out soon. And then I'm repairing the Mustang too, because I want to make a video with all these running, and then the little yellow motorcycle. So I'm gonna get all these four and make a cool video with them. So stay tuned.